All right, let's get right into it. If you're a Sanrio fan, you are gonna want to listen up because one of its absolute biggest stars is making your next meal a whole lot happier.
That's right, it's the golden retriever with the famous brown beret himself, Pompompurin. He is the star of a brand new Happy Meal collaboration with McDonald's Japan, and trust me, this is a huge deal.
So, first things first, let's break down exactly what this announcement is all about.
Yup, McDonald's Japan is rolling out this awesome new toy line which continues their really strong partnership with Sanrio, and as you can probably guess, the buzz from fans online is already off the charts.
But see, this isn't just any character getting the Happy Meal treatment. The real story here is why Pompompurin. Well, it all comes down to his incredible superstar status.
I mean, think about it. Sanrio has this massive universe of characters that everybody loves. So why all the special focus on Pompompurin right now? What makes him the headliner?
Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. He's not just popular, he is officially #1. Pompompurin won first place in the most recent Sanrio Character Ranking contest, which, is that massive global fan vote.
And the scale of this win was just enormous. This was no easy feat. He beat out global icons like Cinnamoroll, the super popular Kuromi, and, get this, even the face of Sanrio herself, Hello Kitty.
And this isn't some kind of fluke either. This was actually his third time winning that top spot since 2015. His reign as a fan favorite is undeniable, which makes him the absolute perfect, strategic choice for a major brand collaboration like this one. All right, so we've covered the what and the why. Now for the part I know you're all waiting for. Let's get into the toys themselves.
So there are 3 totally adorable Pompompurin toys that you can get your hands on. First up, we've got a teapot-shaped container, which looks perfect for storing little trinkets. Then there's a charming little rolling cart, and finally, a really practical pencil and cap set, so you can take a little Pompompurin with you wherever you go. Okay, for anyone hoping to collect these, listen up, because this is the important part. The release is being split into 2 waves. The first wave kicks off on January 23rd, and the second one follows just a week later, starting on January 30th. So you might want to mark your calendars for that. And there you have it. That's the scoop on Pompompurin's Happy Meal takeover. If you want to see more official pictures and get all the details, you know what to do. Be sure to check out the links we've put in the description. Now I gotta ask, who do you think is going to win next year's contest?